Yes, certainly. In fact, I mean, in tragic incident, the most number of people who were killed were identified as Malayalis, and in fact, right now the number is 11. 11 have been confirmed. Identified dead in this tragic incident, and Chief Minister had, already written to the External Affairs Minister to take immediate care of this situation, and in fact to look onto people and to bring back do all the necessary arrangements to bring back the mortal remains to their families as soon as possible. And right now, in fact, sources also say that the death count might also increase, because as of now, amongst the people who are being treated currently, there are chances of more Keralites, especially in who are under treatment. And in fact, in this entire incident, out of all the Indians who have been identified, the most number of people were identified from the state of Kerala, and that is something that is really concerning as far as the state of Kerala is concerned. Is no less than a calamity at this point of time. But definitely the Chief Minister has urged the Central Ministry to take immediate and appropriate actions to bring back the mortal remains of all these people safely back to their families.
Right. Sabyasachi and Jayalakshmi, thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for updates. For the moment, we are moving on and we are shifting our focus to the sensational murder case of Renuka Swamy, in which famous Kannada actor Darshan has been arrested. And this story, this development has been grabbing the eyeballs. The arrest of Darshan and that of Pavitra Gowda. Now, these are the visuals that we are getting you. That is victim Renuka Swamy, who was murdered in a plot that was no short of a movie script. The horrific details of the crime has left everyone stunned. After the arrest day before yesterday, actor Darshan and his alleged lover Pavitra Gowda have been sent to a 6-day police custody. 11 others too have been arrested and sent to police custody. In fact, yesterday 4 of them were taken to the crime scene for inspection, and the Home Minister of Karnataka, G. Parmeshwara, spoke about the case, spoke about the issue, and said that the focus of the probe would be on the motive behind the murder.
No, police have already arrested Mr. Darshan, his wife and others. 13 people have been arrested. And they are looking into it. They are investigating what has happened, how this murder took place, why, what is the reason behind it. All these things, they are examining it.